So this is my weed whacker scooter. This used to be an electric kids razor scooter, but I removed all of the electronic components and I took an old weed whacker engine. I welded these support things to the frame of the scooter, and then I bolted the weed whacker engine to the scooter. It's driven by friction drive. I welded some socket wrenches on top of each other, and then I welded some beads on the socket wrenches to really grip onto the tire. This green line that you see right here, this is the clutch. I pull it over the handlebars. I pull the green line. It presses the motor down into the tire. And then for the throttle control, I took the throttle that was attached to the weed whacker and I cut it off of like the rest of the weed whacker, and I duct taped it down so that I can press it with my left foot. There's only 2 speeds on this, idle and yes. So I'm gonna go take it for a rip. We'll see how it goes. Hey man, you like my ride? And we're off. God damn. Holy shit, we're going fast. Oh geez, that was close. Oh. My clutch broke. Thankfully, there is another way to stop the engine besides that. What is this monstrosity that I've created?